from Sophie's teaching. And today we're going to celebrate my birthday. And here's my husband Ryan.
Hello.
And he's going to help me sing the happy birthday song. And as you can see, my birthday is astronaut-themed. And we're going to sing lots of songs and do lots of games about outer space and the planets and astronauts, rockets, and I think I'd better take off my... Okay.
Your hat.
Okay. By the way, before I take off my helmet, do you remember the song I showed you yesterday? I'm a little astronaut. Okay, we can review together. I'm a little astronaut flying to the Mars. Here is my helmet, here are my glass. Buckle up tightly, zoom the spaceships. Zoom out of sight, I see the Mars. I'm a little astronaut flying to the Mars. Here is my helmet, here are my gloves. Buckle up tightly, whoosh go the spaceship. Zoom out of sight, I see the Mars. Hooray! Hope you like it. Hooray! Before I land the Mars, I need to take my helmet off and sing the birthday song. Then I'm going to take the rocket and fly into the Mars.
Fair enough.
Okay, good. Now that we got the candle up, and let's sing our birthday song in English first.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Sophie. Happy birthday to me. Hooray!
Hip, hip, hooray!
祝你 In Chinese， 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。In Maori， Tulu fa la fa no kia kwe la fa no kia kwe la fa no kia Sophie la fa no kia kwe. Hooray! Don't forget the Korean version. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 Sophie. 생일 축하합니다. Hooray! And I didn't sing the other version.
Oh.
About
What you know?
Oh, I didn't sing the Spanish version, so how about we try that one?
Okay.
Feliz cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños, te deseamos todos, feliz cumpleaños. Hooray! 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 And let me make a wish. Okay.